Hello, in this video we show you how to replace the front twist rod on Audi A6 C5. This is the twist rod right there. It's held by two bolts. First I'm going to remove the lower bolt that's holding on to the stabilizer link. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next I'm going to remove the top bolt. To remove the top bolt, there is a nut on the right side that we need to hold while we remove the bolt. And as the twist rod removed, next I'm going to put on the new twist rod. I'm going to start by putting on the bolt that's onto the stabilizer bar. First I'm going to just put it on a little bit, couple of screws, and now I'm going to put on the top bolt. Sometimes it's not very easy to put on the top bolt. You might want to get a pry bar and maybe push the twist rod so that it straightens up so that you can put on the bolt. If the bolt doesn't want to go in, you need to straighten it up like I said, maybe use the pry bar and it will go in eventually. Here we can see bolt is started to go in, so now we're going to tighten the two bolts. Once the bolts are tightened, then we're done with replacing the twist rod. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.